Paul D. Scooter migration off of the vineyard. And this is just a fraction of what we just saw. We saw way more, but I couldn't get my camera out in time.